Hello my friends, I'm going to try another Dutch pour today. You're missing about 2 inches of the white section here. I can't seem to get the whole canvas in frame, but I'll show you the whole thing when we're done. I've got the colors today. I'm using Fine Touch in Viridian. That's this one. This one is Aqua or Ocean Green. This is, well, let me go to this one. This is Liquitex Prism Violet, and then I added just a bit of the Prism Violet to white to come up with this lighter shade. And this is that same mix with even more white. And then this is Alizarin Crimson, and I wanted it a little more on the purple side, so I added a bit of the deep violet to make it go more with the purple family. It was a bit too red on its own. So here we go. As you can see, I've already put down the base coat of white and this light lavender color. So here we go. I think I'm going to use more paint this time for the colors. Sometimes I think part of my problem with this Dutch pour is that I'm a little skimpy with the colors that I lay down. And then I have a hard time getting it to reach the edges and they get jaggedy. So I'm going to be a little more, what's the word? Generous with the colors. However, I do want to maintain some negative space. So I'm not going to go nutty with the colors, but a little more than usual. I'm really into unusual color combinations lately. If you saw my last video, it was crazy to think those would go together, but I'm quite pleased with the way it came out. So it's really fun to experiment and to make custom colors, of course. Okay, 2 more colors and then we shall be ready to blow. Okay, that's plenty. I kind of like that, the way that looks. Okay, well, here we go. And I think I'm more interested in having, well, I'm just going to say this is my negative space, but I think I'm changing my mind, going to the white. So I'm going to blow into the white section first. I don't know what I'm doing. I'll just see as I go. Hesitation. I see, this is what I don't like so much. happy with most of it. Glad I got a little negative space here and there. Just this one little section I want to fix up. So, I don't know. If I have enough color to blow out, I might add a little bit of this deep violet. Yep. So I can scrape a little more of this lighter shade of that. Okay, that could be enough. I don't want to add any more aqua. It's an odd combination, but I like it. Just a little surprise of color there. And I certainly don't need more of the alizarin. So, let's see. I got that jagged thing again, but the reason I blew that was because it was too square of a shape there, and I want the whole thing to be organic looking. Okay. Another odd color combo, but you know, I like to try to go different. And this is different. I'm not unhappy with it. Let me pull up the camera so you can see the whole thing. I think you can see the whole thing that way. And a little closer. That aqua is quite a surprise color, isn't it? But I think it works. There's a couple of areas, a couple of shapes I don't love, but I don't want to mess with it. And, you know, look at that, this little one right here. Isn't that funny? It looks like a little salamander. I might add legs and a little tiny eye and just have a little tiny surprise on there.